Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about what is the difference between a consonant and a vowel. Show you a picture of the alphabet, and I want you to observe and see if you could answer the question of which letters are vowels and which letters are consonants. You have letters in red and letters in blues. Which are consonants and which ones are vowels? I want you to turn to your elbow partner and discuss the two. Okay, so today on the screen you see three different pictures. You see a blender, a strawberry, and a banana. I want you to think in your mind, not with your words, but in your mind, what will happen when you turn a blender on? Think about that. What will happen if I take the strawberries I have and the bananas I have and I put them both into the blender? Okay, before we add them into the blender, I want you to pretend that you're holding a large spoon with both your hands. Take your hands and move them in a clockwise in front of you, as if you were mixing the two fruits together into a large pot. If you mix them together, that's what's going to happen in the blender. As we mix them, let's watch to see what happens. What happened to the two fruits? Okay, now that you each have a little bit, I'm going to give you a couple seconds to turn to your partner. I want you to choose your baseball partner this time, and I want you to ask one another what you tasted in this smoothie. Did you taste more than one flavor? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Turn and talk. Great. I heard some of you with great explanations of what you tasted. Many of you were able to say that some of them you were able to taste the strawberries and the bananas. And just like in fruit and just like in foods, we have the same thing with our words and our sounds. There are certain sounds that when you put them together, you can hear both sounds. We talked about earlier when we were talking about our leaguers that there are some sounds when they'll have two letters together that makes one sound. But just like in your smoothie, when you're able to taste the strawberry and the banana, you're able to taste both. When we blended those together, just like when we blend our fruits, we can also blend our words. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so another guiding question was, what is a beginning blend? Just like with our fruits, we can blend them together, and just like our words, we can blend them together. I'm going to show you a short clip of this video.
Let's blend.
Okay, and as you listen, I want you to focus on the beginning part of the word. Okay, so you're going to see pictures and you're going to see words, and I want you just to put your mind and your attention on the beginning part of each word.
Burr, brown. Burr, broccoli. Bowl, black. Bowl, blue. Cur, cry. Cur, crab. Coal, clap. Coal, cloud.
Okay? So if you were to sound stretch clap, when we do k, o, a, p, clap, if you notice the beginning, the C and the L, you can hear both sounds. Okay? Is when we have two or more consonants without a vowel between them. If you remember, our vowels are our red letters in the room on our alphabet. It's A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, so when we have a blend, it's when we have two or more consonants together. So we have three words on the screen. We have flash, true, and plus. I want you to take a couple of seconds and I want you to turn to your elbow partner and I want you to find the beginning blend in each word. Flash, true, and plus. So if we look at the word flash and we were to sound stretch the word flash, we have f, l, a, sh, flash. The beginning blend would be FL because it comes at the beginning of the word and you can hear both the letter sound F and the sound L. Same as for true, t, r, u. You can hear the T and the R. And when we put them together, we have a beginning blend. And same for the word plus. If you sound stretch plus, p, l, s, plus, you can hear that the P and the L come at the beginning and they are separate. So, this is what I want you to do today. So, you are going to get with a partner and you're going to get an iPad and you're going to use the app Pic Collage. You will be giving 25 minutes to explore the room. You can move around, you can walk around anywhere in the classroom. And you are going to be looking for examples of beginning blends in our classroom. You are taking a picture of it, just like when we've done this with our neighbors and our leakers and our poppers. And you are going to take a picture. And as you take a picture of something that you believe has a beginning blend, you will match a word to the picture. For example, if you were to take a picture of the globe that's up here on the bookshelf, you'll take a picture of the globe and then you will sound stretch globe. G-O-O-B. Globe. And as you sound stretch it, you will type it in your iPad and match it to the picture. You will work with one person. You can also refer to our Pic Collage rubric if you need help on what will be expected of you. For today, for the beginning blends, I'm only going to ask that you find at least 4 different pictures. Go.